Welcome back, Caspa traders, lovers, investors. Today we talk Caspa. Caspa is coming back. Caspa is so back. Caspa is melting faces. Jomo, show them the chart, man. This
Here
is
it is.
a
Here it is.
celebration.
Here it is. Here it is. See, do you remember? Do you remember? All right. Roughly a week ago or so, before we had all this breakout, roughly here, right? A week ago, we made a video. We made a video, and I told for free, all right, for free, for everyone to see. I told them once we break out above this level, this is going to be your entry. This was for everyone to go watch. You can watch our last video from last week about Caspa. I think it was roughly on the 16th, 17th of April. We said this. We gave this for free. If you got this and you made money thanks to us, like and subscribe to this channel right now. Smash that bell notification because you don't want to miss the next time we give free alpha. Smash that bell and comment in the section below. Tell us how much money you have been making with Caspa thanks to us, man. So look, this was it. This was exactly the chart. And lo and behold, CM, if we go all to today, this broke out ferociously. And of course, today we are in the zone. Did we take the breakout of the 79.6? Of course, we took it. Did we take profits? We took some profits. Did we add on the breakout of 10 cents today? Of course we did, okay? We added, okay? That's how we do as traders. We take trades, we take some profits, we see a continuation, we add back to it. That's called jockeying into position. Look, this is not Luxium, okay? This is pure knowledge. This is pure experience, okay? And all these people, they need to remember that we told them to short Caspa all this downtrend, right? This is actually, we said this is going to be the top. And since here, we have been shorting Caspa all this way down. And we told them that one day we're going to have a tradable bottom. That's how we call it, a tradable bottom. And we're going to take it, right? So for all the trolls that told us that we didn't buy the 6 cents, we don't give an F. Okay, we don't give an F. We don't need to catch bottoms. That's not how trading is done. That's not how investing is done. That's gambling. We rely on patterns that are repeatable and you can make the same decision over and over and over without huge risk, like people that bought the dip here, bought the dip here, bought the dip here, bought the dip here, and here. And what did they tell us, CM? We bought the 5 cents. No, you bought everything else, all the dips. Your average cost is 14 cents. My average cost after making money on the short side is 8 cents. Okay, that's how we roll, CM. We told people to get on the Caspa bus. We called it. We gave them free alpha. They need to like and subscribe right now, right now, and they should join our membership as well because we give these trades as signals on the day for people to spot, get in with position size, stop losses, take profits, all the good things. CM, what do you have to say?
All right, Caspa breakout. Okay, this is the chart. We had the double bottom. Okay, now let's look at some resistances like the fibs. Let's look on the fibs. What's up is the fibs. Okay, yeah, we're coming up to this level. This could be a resistance here. If it
For
can
sure.
clear that level, okay, it's gonna go higher. And yeah, if it can clear that level and come and retest that level, man, there is a very high probability we're going to get. Obviously, we're going to retest at some point, do some big pullback probably. But there is, if it goes to these levels, there is a high probability that Caspa bull market is starting, man. I'm surprised. Again, I'm gonna let everybody knows once we get in these signals, once we reclaim the 200-day MA and hold it as support. If we can do that, and obviously we get a golden cross later on, we are gonna be the first one to start jumping and opening champagne bottles, declaring the Caspa is back into a bull market territories. But still have work to be done. But man, it can happen. It can happen this week. You know, it can happen in a couple of days. You know, this is
It can
crypto. You know, it
happen.
can do that, pull back, and off we go. You know.
Okay.
So yeah.
If this happens like this V bottom, I'm going to be really surprised. Okay. But you know what? I'm going to be okay with it. We said we're going to have a longer period of consolidation. If we are wrong, it doesn't matter because the consolidation wasn't the idea, right, that we gave. What we said is that we're going to give you the tradable bottom. If it's a week, 2 weeks, 3 months, a year, it doesn't matter. We gave them, and as you said, probably we're going to get some resistance, at the 11 cents and so on. Let's see, man, if what my hope is that this doesn't just moonshot, right? If we get some build bases along the way, bull flags, pennets, VCPs for continuation, so we can keep on accumulating and building that positions, that's going to be the best for everyone. But of course, the market doesn't give us every time what we want, and we're going to continue trading it. We are already in the trade, wildly profitable, big positions. We are happy campers watching, as you said, the 11, 12 cents, taking some profits there to make sure that if we do get, a smack from those levels, we're going to be protected, continue with some runners and play it by how the chart want to take us. And CM, hey, if people want to, understand what we do, we created a seminar, all right, for the bull market, all right. The last seminar we made about the bear trends, how to win the bear, was a huge success. And you can show as well my screen, please. I'm going to share it. We created another one because the last one was a huge success. Now we want to make sure people know how to make money on the long side, all right, how to make money in bull trends, all right, how to make money in bull trends. What you need to do is scan the QR code in the upper left side. Go check it out. It's dirt cheap, right? We're not making any money of it. This is to show us that you're serious about learning. That's it. 20% off. Use it. Bull20 LFG. That's the coupon code. Use it, right? This is for you. We're going to teach you how we see tradable bottoms, how we trade continuations, how we are precise in our entries with low risk, high asymmetric reward, huge risk management, making profits consistently. You want to trade like CM, the huge trader, and like me, you need to join this. Don't miss out. Dirt cheap, limited availability CM. People need to know that it's a limited availability proposition, man. And the clock is ticking for sure. It's going to be in 2 or 3 weeks. We haven't decided, but this might be CM, and you can share your thoughts. Maybe this is the last, move up, last,
Yeah.
bull trend before we go into a big bear. We don't. That's how past, how it played out. What do you think?
Yeah, could be, man. Could be. We need to see how it's gonna roll. It could definitely be the last bull rally for
Wow.
crypto, because maybe the next Bitcoin peak will be the ultimate cycle peak, and then obviously you're gonna have bull phases that you can
Yeah.
use the strategies you're gonna learn in the webinar. You can buy breakouts even in a bear market, but
Sure.
it's not gonna be the same environment. So you better learn it. Join us. Join our VIP community, man. Printing dineros. Join us now, man. We're printing. We're up on the Caspa trades 40% now and counting. And thank you guys for watching. Smash the like. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
No edge.
No trade.
Cheers, everybody.